Okay, welcome to ME553 Product and Process Design. And in this module, we are going to look at line weights and expressiveness. How can you use your tools in a better way? Well, of course, your classic tool is the blue watercolor pencil and the blue tip Sharpie. So line weights are very useful during concept generation, and by using lighter strokes or darker strokes, you can convey your ideas to emphasize on certain parts, but also you can get rid of light lines by just overdrawing on it in a darker way. For example, here, line weights have been used to improve sketches to get more refined sketches. Or here in illustrations. These look really good. I don't expect you to be this good now, perhaps later. But let's kind of take the next steps now. So in terms of sketching, you want to be expressive. So don't worry too much about trying to get a perspective. Orthogonal views are the easiest. So we will kind of take a little bit of a practice here to figure out how we can be better at sketching while we draw the orthogonal views. Let's take a stapler, for instance, or any other object that is around. So I'm looking at a mouse there. Let's sketch the mouse. Well, not the real mouse, but a computer mouse. Okay, so like I said, you don't have to be precise. Just get your idea across and the mouse wheel, right? And that's just a elevation of a mouse, right? And well, maybe this looks like a real mouse, but in any case, this is a quick elevation view of a mouse. And if you want to now try to look at and finalize the sketch in a better way using the Sharpie, there are a couple of things you can do, right? So we'll just go over and try to finalize it. And then the thick side, typically this is more useful if you are having more inside detail or other things. You can just use it for the external details of the sketch. Well, of course, if you're doing more of inside engineering sketches, this thing is going to look somewhat different, but you kind of get the main ideas of why we are doing it the way we are doing. You could now practice line weights, for instance, and consistently drawing different weights would be a good thing to practice, such as what you see here. So you have your lines and your Sharpie is up here. Or if you want to go heavier on them, you'll get better at it. I don't have much practice, but basically I just don't inhibit myself when I'm doing sketches. That's part of the trick. Just try to be as fluid as possible. I'll see you in the next module. Thank you.